You can create really nice effects. You can convert into so many different type of logos as well. For example, if I want something like just say I want something flying over, let's get rid of this blue color and just have one outline. So just say I want a line going from T to O, so I'm gonna drag that there and drag that there, and then I'm gonna add another line that ends at the edge of the T, which is there, and it just lines up there. So I'm gonna put them both in, well, in fact, just keep them all together and create outlines, and then break it into pieces. I'm gonna delete unnecessary lines now by selecting this tool. Can you see? So I'm gonna select all that and that, and then I'm gonna divide them, and then let's delete this bit now. Oops, it's going out of hands now, doesn't like it. So can you see I've deleted extra lines from there? Delete that bit, delete that bit. If I delete these, it's just moving off the track because this edge is not touching here. That's why it's not cropped it up. So this side as well. So if I want this cropping up, I need to select T, select O, and select this, and then divide it again. Oops, what have I done? Sorry about this, guys. It's not working for me. I'm gonna do it again. So basically I've drawn that and I've added another line, but I'm gonna make sure that it touches these letters, because when it touches the letters, this is the only way you can actually crop it to your criteria. Okay, now I'm gonna select everything and then I'm gonna divide that. Then clicking on this tool, delete unnecessary lines. Can you see it's deleting the bits I don't need? And I don't need that bit, as in this line, this bit. I don't need this bit. Oops. It's the other bit I don't need. Oops. Oh well, I'm just gonna get rid of outlines later on. But anyway, what I'm trying to show you is this bit. Don't need that bit. So there we go. I've highlighted that bit and I'm gonna merge them together. Oops. This is also connected to letter O. So guys, this way you can have beautiful logos and designs. T is completely out of shape, so the letter O is. There we go, Tech Pro. Then T and O can have beautiful rainbow, but because it's going down the line somewhere. Okay, so when I highlight this, it highlights the background as well. So let's stick to the top bit and add rainbow effects. There we go. This is what I wanted to do before. And then O on its own. But I think we'll just leave it at that. Just unique logo. Thank you for watching, guys. Goodbye.